Hi, so in this lesson, we're going to answer the question, what is Tableau? Tableau is an end-to-end analytics platform. And with Tableau, you can connect to a variety of data sources, drag and drop fields to create data visualizations, and finally build a dashboard that you can publish and share to users or even the world. Like I said, Tableau's interface is super easy. You can use the drag and drop method to create your visualizations and analyze trends and patterns for your projects. Tableau has a wide variety of data sources that you can connect to, such as static Excel sheets, Google Sheets, cloud databases, and even big data. And combining data from multiple data sources is really easy with Tableau. Dashboard building is super quick. I've built dashboards in minutes, and you can share them very quickly on Tableau Public or your own private server. Tableau shows up as one of the top business intelligence and data analytics tools as per the Gartner Magic Quadrant. So it is a really nice platform and tool to learn to better your career and also further your knowledge in data analytics. So let's talk about the Tableau products. We have Tableau Desktop. So Tableau Desktop is the main product. It is Tableau's star seller, and it is the desktop application where we build our charts and our dashboards. Tableau Prep is quite a new product in Tableau, and it's used mainly for pre-processing of your data. So if you have a very complicated data workflow where you connect to a lot of different tables and you have to do a lot of data cleaning, Tableau Prep does that before you bring that data into your workbook, which is really great to optimize the process and to increase the speeds of your dashboard. And if you used Alteryx before, it is a bit similar to that, but a much more simple version. So something that you should definitely check out. Tableau Server and Tableau Online are platforms where you can publish your dashboard and have users view and interact with them. And lastly, Tableau Public is the public platform of Tableau, where you can also publish your dashboards, but this time it is out there into the real world and anyone can view it. The products that we are going to work on is Tableau Desktop, where we are going to install the free 14-day trial, as well as Tableau Public, and that's the place where we are going to create our portfolio and publish all our dashboards. Okay, so in the next lesson, we're going to start working on our projects. So I'll see you there. Bye.